Hi, Clement here, and this is a brand new product in-house that I get to unbox. It's from Vivo, and it's the first time I'm checking out some of Vivo's products, so I'm really grateful for the brand giving me the opportunity to check out some of the devices. They've been in South Africa for the past 2-3 years right now. Today we get to check out the Vivo Y76 5G, or as my friends say,
sex.
Yeah. Before I get to do the unboxing, can we just appreciate how thick this box is? With more modern flagships from various other brands, we get a thinner box. If you like this kind of content, please check out my social handles. I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. It would just do wonders for the content I'm putting out. So if you enjoyed this, you know what to do. The version of this device that I have is the 8GB 120GB internal. It has 44W fast charge or flash charge, 50 megapixel main cameras. I've mentioned the 8GB of internal RAM. What's cool about these devices is from your internal memory, you can get 4GB extended RAM. I'll just open up the box. I'll just get the plastic off. And we're greeted by the Vivo logo, which contains a case for the device as well as a product accessory. So before I take the device out, I just want to say they actually mention the kind of content that you get in this box: a cell phone, a charger, a USB cable, a phone case, a SIM ejector tool, a warranty card, a quick start guide. This is the device, and just to get it in focus on this camera, I'm going to put that to the side as well. There's a sticker inside that gives you your IMEI number. The fast charge brick is included in the package as well. This is the 44W flash charge. That's a USB to USB-C. Phones, as I've mentioned previously, some ejector tool, and nothing else. That's a whole box worth of phone accessories that we usually wouldn't get. Well, let me unslide the plastic. And this is the device. And just to give you an idea of what midnight is, so for the first boot, just looking at the device, it has the V-notch display. Set up the device and then I'll be right back. And this is our new Vivo device. That's our 50 megapixel main shooters. Like with most devices, I usually like to test them on the daily before I can make a call. Although I do like to do these unboxing videos, I can't really give my honest opinion as yet, but using it as a daily driver from this point forward, fingerprint, magnet, and it's actually great that the cover is included, so I'll just put this cover on the device. For now, that's all I have to share. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions regarding or surrounding this device, please hit me up on my socials, which I'll link down here. Once again, please feel free to drop whatever questions, and as I've mentioned before or asked before, please subscribe to the channel. It will do some great work. But for now, I hope you guys are looking after each other. Continue washing your hands, and we'll chat in the next one. Goodbye.